We keep safe. He is ready to not be a superpower.
Wait. It's 10 p.m. Why don't you?
Okay then.
Well, we are going to enter the HQ. We are going to save tntexplosionis321.
We are going a gate instead.
Hey, there is a cable wall box. Give me your nail drill.
I don't have it. I am using a nail set instead. Now take my tool away.
Duh. I don't even know what will I cut those wires.
Let me cut. I'm cutting blue and red wire. Oh no.
Wait, it's the crooks here. Oh yeah, it's the crooks. I can call everyone for this. Attention, there is intruders in left gate. They are cutting the wires. Now please use your weapon to catch them. Thank you.
Cut one more.
How about blue?
Please go now.
So, can we shoot the intruders?
I hear something.
What fool? This will execute.
What? What EX? Guys, we are running right now.
What happened to the HQ? They are escaping from this place.
Well, you all here not believe that you know. The boss says it is explosion for 10 minutes.
What? For 10 minutes? Oh no.
Guys, get in. We are escaping from the HQ. Now we are going home.